Hi friends and YouTubers, welcome back. Around the time that I fixed the leaky side panels, I also gave the van its first wash. Now remember, I bought it back in September of 2020. I have to say that it's the first time that I've ever had to use an 8-foot ladder to wash a vehicle that I own, and it was definitely ready for a wash. Now, because I know friends and family follow my progress, and you may not necessarily be familiar with van life or van conversions, I'd like to spend a few minutes now and give you a tour of the roof and share the conversion vision from that vantage point. Come along. So here we are on top of the ladder so we can take a look at the roof. I just finished washing the van, and I wish I'm a new YouTube star, so I wish I would have thought to have taken pictures beforehand. This was filthy. The van's been sitting under these trees, and they're very full of sap, and they drop branches. And when I first bought the van, one of the huge branches fell down and it actually broke the windshield. So it's like the week that I got it, I had to have the windshield repaired. And the only thing that I notice up on the roof is a little dent there, and it's got a little bit of rust, and that also is where a huge branch fell. So one of the things that I really realized washing the van is that I'm going to get a garage. One way or another, I'm going to figure out how to get a garage. This is one that I've been dreaming about. I've looked a little bit because you do spend such a time and effort, doing all this conversion work. You want to make sure that it's well protected. But while we're up here, let's take a look. So this area right here is where the skylight will go. I'm lucky enough to say that the skylight's not a dream, it's a reality. It's on order. It should be arriving soon. I'll have a solar panel here, solar panel here, solar panel somewhere in here. If you're not familiar with van conversions, this is where the vent goes. So there's a roof fan that people always put in. Max Air fan is a popular one, so that's actually what I ordered. So that'll go there. This product has already arrived at my house and it's waiting to be installed. I ordered the manual one after reading some issues about the remote control model. And then the other thing is all these buttons here along the way, that's where your roof rack goes. So I'll be installing, a roof rack on here, and these little buttons all come out, and that's what you affix to the inside of the van. And then the solar panels mount to that. So that's a little bit of the rooftop here. I'm really happy with this van. It is so clean. This is the first time that I've actually washed it, and it was filthy because it sat underneath those trees, but it just came so nice and clean, and there is hardly any rust on it. So I'm very, very happy with the van. Here's a few final pictures after it was all cleaned up. As I said, I was very happy and I'm pretty pleased with the van. So once again, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, as always, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.